Moto Edge 50 Fusion 5G. First start with this mobile's price range because this mobile is available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128GB variant, which was priced at 22,919 rupees, almost 23,000 rupees, and it will be available in one more variant, that is a 12GB RAM 512GB 256GB internal storage. This was priced at 24,999 rupees, almost 25,000 rupees. So let's talk about this mobile's features. For that pricing, what are you getting in this mobile? Let's start with display size. It comes with a 6.67 inches of full HD plus resolution POLED display, and it is a 144 Hz refresh rate supported display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Now let's move on from display to the processor. It was coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, which is an octa-core 5G processor. When we talk about 5G, it comes with a 15 5G bands all over the world. And when we talk about this mobile's cameras, now this mobile will be available with the two cameras at the back side. A 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which can also be used as a macro. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of selfie camera. Yes, and when we talk about this whole mobile's power engine, that is battery, it comes with a huge 5000 milliampere of battery, and it supports up to 68 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, this mobile doesn't come with any wireless or reverse wireless charging features. And when we talk about this mobile's features, like it comes with the Android version 14 out of the box. The company is saying that they will give the 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates for this mobile, like from Motorola. And this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support, as well as Bluetooth 5.4, which is the latest hardware available in the market. And it also comes with the NFC. When we talk about the sensors, this mobile doesn't skips any sensors. It comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass, and everything. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, this mobile comes with leather back. And the major important thing in this mobile is, for the 23,000 rupees, you are getting a IP68 water resistant mobile. Yes, so this is the highlight thing in this mobile. This mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with a buying link from Flipkart, and you can directly buy it from there by clicking that link. And if you are liking this video until now, subscribing to the channel will be amazing, and it will also give me some support. And when we talk about multimedia, this mobile comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. Inside this mobile's retail box, you will get the mobile itself, charger, and a cable, and a SIM ejector tool, as well as quick start guides or something, and a TPU case. So these are the things that you will get in this mobile box with the mobile itself. So buy this mobile and enjoy them. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's important.